Hey guys, how are you doing? Happy Easter, by the way. Um, I hope your day was great. Uh, Mine was pretty good. I'm tired though. Um, but I just wanted to, tell you guys Happy Easter. And I wanted to thank Debrajoy. I got to meet her. That was very exciting, and she greeted me with a big hug and everything, and she was so nice. She has a beautiful little place there. Um, we were supposed to get together for lunch the next day. Well, what happened was I couldn't find her phone number, okay? And I normally wouldn't pop in on someone because, I just don't do that. I want to give everyone fair warning. But, yeah, so I said, I can't be in Oceanside and not look her up. That'd just be wrong. And so I took a shot. I had her address. I took a shot and went over there and surprised her, and she just gave me the biggest old hug, and she's very, very cool. And but we were supposed to have lunch the next day. I wanted to take her to Taco Bell. And I gave her my number, and I said, text me your number, because I didn't have my phone with me, stupid. I didn't have my phone with me, so I said, text me a picture, and that way I'll have your phone number, and then we'll you call and get together for lunch tomorrow. And she said it sounded good. Well, I told her, I said, anything could come up. So that's why we needed each other's phone number. Because apparently she hates to talk on the phone. But anyway, I hung around and I hung around, and she didn't call. So I figured something must have happened that she couldn't make it. So, but maybe we'll get together at another time. Maybe the next RTR, or I don't know when I'm coming back this way. I'm just about over the desert. Yeah. I need my mountains with trees. But anyway, I hope we get the chance to hang out again. So anyway, that's all I really wanted to say tonight is, thanks a lot, Deborah Joy. We talked for a long time. Poor Sammy is saying, "The hell are you doing in there so long?" But anyway, happy Easter, and you guys take it easy. Take the long way home. Woo-hoo.